You have arrived at your destination. Who is gonna be our lucky winner today? You guys stay tuned. We're about to find out. Thank you for tuning in to Rayleigh's Small Engines. We're going to do this giveaway in just a minute. But first, we've got a mail call to take care of. We got some things in the mail, guys. First off, we have got DNR Small Engines. He sent us a couple of stickers. Thank you, sir. Y'all go check out his channel, DNR Small Engines. David, you're a great guy. Keep it going, my friend. Doing a wonderful job. I got another surprise in the mail. You're not going to believe who this is. The Shop Willie. Who in the world? The Shop Willie. Y'all go check out Rusty Rooster. He has to get help from him sometimes. Shop Willie's all right, but he helps the rooster out. We got another one, guys. This one is a little different. Wonderful gray. Look, recycle. Guys, please, recycle. Guess what's inside here? We have the inmate. Yes, Grandpa Kevin. Go check his channel out. Subscribe to his channel. Subscribe to all these guys. Let's go get these guys on the board, and I'm going to show you everybody that's on our board. Thank you. Just a minute, folks. We'll be right back. Here we go, guys. DNR Small Engine Repair. Let's see if I can not trip over the camera. DNR, you're going right here, my friend. Very proud to have these stickers. The Shop Willie. This is the Shop Willie. A Rusty Rooster's Shop Willie. And then we have Mr. Recycle. We have the inmate right here. Look at that. The board is filling up. Guys, I'm going to show you a little closer view. I'm going to ask a favor. I want you to go subscribe to each and every one of these guys. I'm going slow. You pause it. You look these guys up. I'm not going to name everybody. Go subscribe to these guys. This is Big Son's Lawn Care. His name you cannot see. Big Son's Lawn Care. Check these guys out. Every single one of them. The Lawnmower Master. Oh my goodness. Okay, gals and guys, we've got the link to the video. We're going to filter duplicates, include replies. Specific text is hashtag free light. So we get YouTube comments. And now, let's see where we're at. Let's scroll down. And hit start for our little camera work there, folks. Bear with us. It was first time doing this. Start. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We have a winner. Lawnmower Lady. Congratulations. You won a new flashlight. All right. We're going to scroll down, Lawnmower Lady, and we're going to pick one more. Lawnmower Lady is putting out some great videos. I never know what to call her because she's always got a different tag on her shirt. You never can tell. Here we go. Let's pick another winner. We're going to do one more. I promised you guys 2. We're going to do 2. Boom, 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 boom. Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? The Gravely Man. He is awesome. If you want to know something about a Gravely, this is your guy right here. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's get these winners up on the winner board. Look at there. You can tell that's not my writing. My wife wrote that up there. The Lawnmower Lady, Gravely Man, winners of these rechargeable flashlights you can see on the left there. Congratulations. You guys go subscribe to these channels. These are some great people. Sorry the camera's moving around. They are awesome, both of them. Congratulations. The Lawnmower Lady, Gravely Man. I'm going to put a link right in the bottom of the screen at some point here with my email. Send me an email. I will send you your new flashlight. Rechargeable. We use them every day. We thank you guys, each and every one of you, for helping us reach this goal and getting our subscribers up. We really appreciate it. Thank you for all the stickers. I only have about 10 left. I'm going to order some more. And if you would like a sticker, also email me. This email, maybe it's down here. We'll see. Y'all click subscribe. You never know what's going to happen at Raley's Small Engines. Thank you guys. Have a great day.